Hey guys, let's start with Azure Fundamentals. So before going into the fundamentals, let's know what is Azure. Okay, so I'm just going to explain you what is Azure in just next 30 seconds. So Azure is basically Microsoft owned cloud services like PaaS and IaaS services, which includes VM, SQL, Cosmos, Network Watcher, and many other storage network related services. Okay, and all this magic happens with the help of technique called virtualization and orchestration. And in the remaining time, I should tell you, US government and US military use Azure as their primary cloud provider. So how does Azure Cloud works or any other cloud works? So it typically works on virtualization and orchestration. Let me give you an example. Just imagine you want to create a new VM, a Linux based VM with 2 disks in it. Okay, so you go to the Azure portal or any other AWS or GCP portal and you go to the create resource page. Now over there you get to a create VM part. Now under that you have to fill the information like what is the OS type, how many disks you want, and other specifications like network and storage and many more. Okay, and after filling all the information, at the end we get an option of create. So what happens when you click on that button? So when you click on create button, it basically sends an API request to a server in a data center of Azure. So you must be thinking what data center involves. So basically Azure has 140 plus regions. That means in each region they have multiple availability zones, and inside every availability zone there are multiple data centers, and inside the data centers they have multiple racks, thousands of racks, and inside these racks we have physical machines running as servers or provisioning servers. Okay, so basically when you click on that create button, it sends a request to one of the servers. Okay, and these servers are basically hosting the site. Okay, and they will be taking all the requests and information and will be sending it to a fabric controller. So fabric controller is basically a server running a software called orchestration software. This orchestration software is used to convert the information of a particular requirement, like I said for a VM. Like it will take all the requirement like OS type and database type and other things and convert into such a information which is being readable by the physical machines. So with the help of fabric controller, it will be able to convert a physical machine into a required state, a desired state configuration, and it will create the entire physical machine into the VM that are required. And with the help of this thing, we are able to convert the entire request into a physical running machine as per our desired state configuration. And that is how this Azure cloud and other cloud works. So now as a DevOps, you already work on app services, SQL, Cosmos, and many more services. And all these services are basically configured via the same process of fabric controller with the help of orchestration. So now let's deep dive into the SLAs and other services and know more about them into the PPT. Hope you like it. Bye.